Okay, day 3. Progress has been made. Carpet removed. Floorboards on. Same as the ones in there. Looks very weird seeing it like this. Also update, the rondo clips have arrived. So day 3 part 2 update. What I need to do next is all the cabling. I need speaker wire from the rack for front wides, speaker wire for future front subwoofers, and speaker wire for medium or center height Atmos, because we have the rear Atmos, the front, and then the rear will be over here. We'll be sitting roughly around there. Yeah, tracking along nicely. And then the other update, so once I do the wiring, then I need to go around taking out all the screws like that from the wall. Then I need to button up all the wiring. Then if I still have time today, the next step will be, so this is an acoustic clip. This is the whole purpose of doing this build. So it's supposed to isolate the gyprock and the MDF from the wall. So what will happen is it's going to be here like that. Screw it in, 2 screws, and then you have the metal hat channel or rondo that goes in there, and then the MDF will go first, and then you have another layer of the fire check, which is the 16 mil or 5/8 drywall as they call it in America. So yeah, progress has gone well. Excited now, but scary and daunting, as I've never done anything like this. You know, how much will hold all the weight, but it's fun times. Okay, end of day 3. So to recap, day 3, we put in the floorboards and it's been wiring. So what I've done is I've run extra cabling for 4 subs in the front, 4 subs in the back, and then front wides, as well as middle Atmos. So that's all this cabling. I've also run this orange tubing. It's like a pull cable. So I have 2 coming to the front, and then the long one is going to go towards the back. And I've also decided that the fiber optic cable that I have at the moment, I'm going to run it to the back and then get a new one for the TV. So 2 fiber for the TV. Just future proofing while I have everything open. It's probably the best idea. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I need some more clips just to fix up that cabling over there. And then tomorrow, the whole day is finishing up the demo of the window, the remaining timber, take off all the screws, and then put the rondo. So that's tomorrow's job. So tomorrow's Saturday, we'll put the rondo, and then on Sunday I move the MDF and the fire check, the gyprock, into this room, ready to start putting up the walls. Progress has been made. Thanks.
again. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro,